welcome back to Carolina Ruck Cuddles. We are going to try the Sixtrax. Oh wait, there it is. There she is. We're gonna do a little test and tune. Got the GoPro on. Trying to get it tuned in right now. I've never used it with a four wheel. I've been using it with my side by side, but we'll go ahead and see what these 6 wheels can do, guys. See you in a second. Well guys, this thing is horrible when it comes to noise wise. I really got to get the exhaust fixed. I don't know if y'all can see the smoke while I sprayed the chain down with some chain lube. Got it on that little exhaust. But here we go, let's try her out. Wish me luck. Well, we lost the chain. Huh. That did not go like I thought it would. Lost the chain immediately. I need that tensional, but everybody doesn't have one, so I gotta find one. Well guys, that went horrible. I don't know. Yeah, I can't get it back on. So we really need that spring-loaded tensional. I was hoping it would last at least a few minutes, but I guess not. I'll get this tensional and we'll get it fixed. Like I said, I was hoping it'd at least stay on a little bit, but no. She just loosens up. Well guys, we went ahead and loaded it back up. I was hoping that I put a stiff ball in the middle that maybe I could just get a little bit of mud, and as long as it's easy on flat mud. But no, so I guess the suspension soaks up even a little bit, and that thing just jumped clean off. I gotta get, I've been having so much trouble trying to find these spring-loaded tensionals, but like I said, I think I found them. So hopefully I'll get them this week. If not, that's what it is. Anyways, we'll take the Grizzly out. She ain't been out in a while. Stock coming, so this is gonna be awesome. Well, boys and girls, this is easy when it has tires on it. No idea how well it'd do without tires. Yeah, not too bad. Beep, beep. Did I really just land on my own rut and stuck? Come on. You know, being stuck this many times in 1 week is really starting to hurt my feelings. Sure. You guys want to see it try again? Let's try again, but this time we're not going to that side. And we go in. One more time. One more battle. One more battle. Woo. I gotta do it again. Let's try high. Without the outlaw, she'd probably do better. She'll do it high. Guys, I hope the camera don't got mud on it. If it does, I'm sorry. It does one thing, guys, that I don't like about a Honda is I just feel like you can't blast through places like this because you're always shifting and losing so much momentum. Well, a CVT, you're just flying through there, one gear all the way. Clicking. I don't know if I just messed up my diff or what just messed up, but something's clicking really bad. I'm having a bad day, guys. That's 2 machines I've broken in less than an hour. I just wanted to drive really fast for a second, and here, this is what I get. Well, guys, I think this is where I'm going to end the video. As you can see, I'm riding around in the X4 because I'm like, well, I get ride around, enjoy myself. Won't get no video out of this. I was hoping to get some Sixtrax mud video, but as y'all could see at the beginning of the video, the chain popped off, which I was hoping that putting a stiff bar on the foil itself would help with that, and maybe, just maybe, I'll be able to get at least a little bit of mud as long as I have them flat surfaces. I figured the chain might not pop off, but I didn't have high hopes. But like I thought, without the spring tensional, it just jumped off. Hopefully we'll get that this week. I think we finally figured out where to get one from. We've been trying to find one and we can't find one stiff enough. They're always so weak that they'll just fall off. They're just not strong enough. And then of course the Grizzly messed up, and everybody's gonna be like, well, you should have bought another Honda. No, guys, it's not that thing. That thing I bought in pieces. I've been trying to fix it up. I thought, you know, maybe I get it working, but I've always had issues with it. We've had in my group, we've had another 660, not this one, and another one. And then we had a 450, a few 700s, some 350s, had this X4 hill, and none of them have ever gave us any trouble at all. Like, I never worked on my 450 at all. And I had that thing for like 6-7 years, 8,000 miles on it. So it's not Yamaha. This thing was just drove hard, put up wet. When I bought it for dirt cheap, so hopefully I can figure out what's wrong with it. If it's too bad, I'll just sell it, sadly. I don't want to sell it because I have some crazy builds that I want to do to it, but I'm not going to rebuild the motor. It's not worth it to me. For what the price I pay for it, I can part it out and literally get more than what I paid for it, because I stole the tires off of it, so I can take like probably $800 off the price I paid for it, just for the tires I stole off of it. But guys, thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoy this. There's plenty more to come. If I do sell the 660, I plan on buying something else. I don't know what I'll buy. I might buy a 700. I might buy a Can-Am. Heck, I might say just save my money and build on some of the other things I have, like this X4. But I guarantee you the content will keep coming, and we ain't stopping anytime soon. So if you ain't already, subscribe. And please, guys, please, if you ain't already, please subscribe, because that tells me that y'all enjoy the videos and that y'all like it. Plus, if we get enough subscribers, we can get some money, and then I can actually start fixing all the problems I keep having. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you on the next one.